How to use Trustwallet and MetaMask on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on PancakeSwap, how to use it and how we can use our Trustwallet and MetaMask with PancakeSwap to simply trade in crypto, earn passive income and more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to pancakeswap.finance. It will take you right here. PancakeSwap is a platform that allows you to trade, earn, and win crypto on the most popular decentralized platform. First of all, what we need to do is when we are on PancakeSwap, we need to connect our wallet. So I'm going to click on Connect Wallet, and you can see that we have MetaMask and other wallets. So if I click on More, then we have Trust Wallet as well. So first of all, let's go with MetaMask, and I'm going to connect my MetaMask first. So I'm going to click on MetaMask, or you can also select your Trust Wallet and there are other as well, but we're focusing on MetaMask and Trust Wallet. So as I said, I'm going to connect my MetaMask. There you go. You can see connect with MetaMask. I'm going to click on next and connect. PancakeSwap is connecting with MetaMask, and there you go. It has been connected. So you can see right here that my wallet is connected to my PancakeSwap. Now, keep in mind, in order to connect your MetaMask to PancakeSwap, you require BNB network on your MetaMask. So let me actually show you that I have BNB network because by default on MetaMask, we have Ethereum network, right? So in order to connect it to PancakeSwap, you need BNB. So you can see right here, you can also add a BNB network to your MetaMask. There is already a video on the channel. You can watch it and you'll know how to add BNB to MetaMask. So once you have it, you will simply connect it to PancakeSwap. Now we're good to go. First of all, what we can do is we can see our funds right here, the funds that we have, and then we have trade option right here, earn, win, NFT, and in more we have voting and leaderboard. So first of all, I'm going to go to trade and swap option because PancakeSwap allows us to swap between tokens and between currencies. So first pair that we have is BNB and Cake. Of course, I can select my own pair. So what I'm going to do now is I can just select any of these. I'm going to go with Ethereum and then Cake. Let's go with Ethereum and Cake. So I have added this right here, and you can see this is for this pair. Like the graph is actually going down, and the graph is for 24 hours. And we also have 1 week, 1 month, and 1 year. So if I show you a monthly view of this pair, Ethereum and Cake, it will show you right here. Keep in mind the values that I'm showing you right now are at the time of making this video. So even they may vary when you are checking out PancakeSwap or when you're actually trading or swapping. So yeah, these are at the time of making this video. Right here, I have selected this pair, or I can go with a more stable pair. Let's go with BNB and Cake. So you can see right here, this is the monthly view for this one. If I go with 24-hour, it's looking good for 24-hour view. It was the highest at like 3 p.m. and then now it's actually going down again. So this is the, percentage right here given 0.66%. This one is a basic pair, and this is how I can swap. Now, what I need to do is I just need to enter my amount. So let's go with 100. Let's say that I want to swap 100 BNB into Cake. So this is what I will get: 7,500 Cake for 100 BNB. Okay, so we're getting 0.0132 per Cake, and slippage tolerance is going to be 0.5%. Moving on, we have minimum received, which is 7,494 Cake. Price impact is 0.03%, and liquidity provider fee is going to be 0.25 BNB. So this is for BNB and Cake. Again, I can switch between all of these different tokens. I will be able to swap really easily. Then we have a limit option right here on PancakeSwap. So I'm just going to go ahead and acknowledge, click these and continue. All right, so now we have limit here, and again, the look of it is going to be same. You will enter your amount here, balance, and then we have also per Cake. We will add here the limit and enter an amount. Then we can also add liquidity using PancakeSwap. Now it depends on your wallet as well. Whatever wallet you're using, again, you can use Trust Wallet as well, or you can use MetaMask. I am using MetaMask, but you can also get a Trust Wallet really easily. And once you get the wallet, you need to have BNB network, and that's it. You will connect your wallet to your PancakeSwap right here. So when it comes to our liquidity, I'm going to click on add liquidity, and again, it will allow me to select my pair first. So in order to select the pair, I can go with Cake, BUSD, Ethereum, USDT, and others. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go with USDT. Okay, and then right here I'm gonna go with cake. Because we're using PancakeSwap, I'm going with cake. So this is my peer, and now I can click on add liquidity, and I can enter my amount right here. I just have to like select them and then enter my amount here, and then we have prices and pool share given here, slippage tolerance, and LP reward APR. So of course, when you will be adding liquidity, you will be swapping, you will actually keep going with your transaction and confirm it from your wallet. For the purpose of the video, I'm not doing that, and I'm just showing you how to do it. And that actually reminds us that this video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto swapping involves high degree of risk, or rather you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand crypto and trading, then you can go on with the platform. I'm giving you a tutorial on PancakeSwap and how you can get started, how to use it, and what are the different tools and features we get, so that I can help you when you use PancakeSwap. That being said, let's continue with the video. So this is going to be all for the trading, because we checked out all of these different options, and I can also check out the perpetuals, and I can create my own perpetuals as well. In earn option, we have farms and pools. I can create my own farms, I can create my own pools to earn rewards and make money with PancakeSwap. So we can also make passive income with PancakeSwap really easily, and it helps us earn the maximum profit, the profits that we want. Moving on, we have win. Again, there are trading competition, prediction beta, and lottery that allows us to make money with PancakeSwap. So I can actually go with a trading competition, and I can just predict the amount and the prices of crypto and make money out of it. I can earn money with PancakeSwap. And then we have lottery as well. So if you win the lottery, of course you will be earning and rewards and making money. And then we have an NFT marketplace available on PancakeSwap as well now, which allows us to buy and sell NFTs on BNB Smart Chain. Keep in mind that we can buy and sell NFTs on BNB Smart Chain. So you can see right here, all of these different collections are available. So if you are looking for a platform to also buy and sell BNB NFTs, then you can go with PancakeSwap as well. All you need is, you just need a BNB network on your MetaMask or on your Trust wallet. That's it. The video on how to get a BNB network on your wallet is already on the channel. That is why I'm skipping that part, but you can go ahead. Feel free to check out that video as well and get a BNB network on your MetaMask first, and then you can check out PancakeSwap. So once you get to the PancakeSwap, then we have all of these different options, and of course I can avail the NFTs, and then we have earn and trade. If I quickly take you to farms and quickly give you an overview of farms and pool, then I think that will be better as well. So you can see stake LP tokens to earn. So I can actually stake LP tokens and earn money on PancakeSwap. So we have Cake and BNB, BUSD and BNB, Pill and BUSD, Shell and BUSD, and others. So these are all pairs available, and then we have earned. This is my balance. I haven't earned anything, so it says 0. APR percentage, liquidity, multipliers given here. Similarly, if I take you to pools, you can see that we have 0 pools. Just take some tokens to earn. High APR, low risk. Keep in mind, the higher APR is going to be, the lower risk it will be for you. Again, we have in pools, we have stake cake, earn peel, earn shell, earn high, earn OLE, earn trivia, earn XCN. All of these are available. I can check out all of them. The earnings are given here. Flexible APY is given here. I can check if it's locked or a simple APR. Total stakes given here, and the details are available here. And I can check the details for any of the pools that are given here. If it's the token info, the total locked, everything can be seen here, and it's updated every second. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to use PancakeSwap with your MetaMask or your Trust wallet. You just need to connect your wallet if it's MetaMask or Trust wallet, and then you're good to go. You can use PancakeSwap for trading, earning, winning, and as an NFT marketplace as well. It works on BNB network, BNB blockchain, and you can simply go ahead and buy, sell, and trade on BNB using PancakeSwap. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.